Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive straight into how to create milestones in Asana for effective project management. First up, log into your Asana account and navigate to the specific project you're working on. This is where you'll set your milestones, giving you clear goals to work towards. Now that we're in the project, click on the Add Task button. This is where we start building our milestones. Remember, milestones are critical markers in your project timeline, so choose significant goals or achievements. Next, type in your milestone in the task name field. Let me explain why this matters. It's because your milestone should be descriptive enough to allow everyone on the team to understand what it represents. Now that we've done that, click on the task to open it. Then, select the More button. This helps us because it gives us more options, including the ability to set this task as a milestone. Finally, click on the Mark as Milestone option. The reason we do this is to visually differentiate this task from others. It will now appear as a diamond on your timeline, providing a clear visual cue of your project's important targets. And there you have it. You've created a milestone on Asana. Remember, using milestones effectively helps you track your project's progress and keeps your team focused on important goals. That's it for today's tutorial on creating milestones in Asana. Keep tuning in for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy planning.